Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to add multiple pages in Canva. Before we get started, please give the video a like and subscribe as this really helps me out. So there are a few reasons you might want to add multiple pages. Maybe you're working on a presentation or you have a CV like I have here and you need more room, so you want to add a page. So this is how you do it. So you have a couple of options. So you could add a page from the top of the document by clicking on the top right icon where it says add page. Or you can scroll down a bit and do it from the bottom of the document where it says add page. So by clicking on this, I'll be given an extra blank page, and I can keep going to add as many pages as I want. If you want to duplicate a page and get another page with the same information and formatting, all you have to do is click at the top, a little bit further in, and if you hover over this tab, it says duplicate page. So by clicking on there, I have the same page duplicated and I can go in and edit all the information. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.